Welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. Today's recipe is veg hot dogs. We'll be making these hot dogs and we'll be filling them up with a sausage that is made entirely of vegetarian ingredients. I'm going to be giving you many options, lots of different variations to serve and to assemble your hot dogs. You will need some boiled red kidney beans or rajma and some boiled potatoes. These two things will make the major bulk of our sausage mixture. Other than these, you can use carrots, tomatoes, capsicum, paneer. These are all optional. You will also need garlic, onion, green chilies, fresh breadcrumbs, and your choice of seasonings. To assemble these hot dogs, you can use caramelized onions or mushrooms or both. Again optional. And then you need mayonnaise, mustard sauce, tomato ketchup and some processed cheese. So let's get started. So let's begin making this mixture for our veg sausages. Heat oil in a pan, add in garlic, onion, and if you're using capsicum, add capsicum as well. Saute them nicely. I also like to add a little bit of chili flakes into the oil so that the oil gets flavored with that chili. Once this is well sauteed, nice and brown, then you can add in a little bit of chopped tomatoes, followed by grated carrot and crumbled paneer. Now, all of these things are optional. You can use whichever things you want and you can leave out whichever you don't want. Saute these nicely. Take care that there should not be too much moisture in the ingredients to begin with. If this mixture retains excessive moisture, you will have difficulty in shaping and cooking those sausages. Then in goes the mashed kidney beans or rajma. Make sure they're well dried. And then the boiled mashed potatoes. Mix everything nicely. Season it with salt and black pepper. Once everything is mixed up nicely and seasoned as you want, as per your taste, you can take this mixture off the heat and leave it to cool well. Now by the time this mixture cools, let's make fresh breadcrumbs. Let me show you how you can do that. Just take a few slices of bread. Bread that's a little stale is the best for these breadcrumbs. Put them into a food processor or mixer grinder jar and churn them away. Your fresh breadcrumbs are ready to use. These breadcrumbs are going to help absorb any excessive moisture that is left inside your mixture. So mix them nicely into this mixture and it's ready to roll into sausages. Now you can start shaping these. Now to make your sausage shapes, take a big spoonful of this mixture, roll it using your fingers or your countertop into a thick cylindrical sausage shape, roughly the size of the hot dog bun that you're going to use, because it should easily fit inside it. Now there are a couple of ways to treat these sausage rolls once they are ready. You can either cook them on a frying pan in a bit of oil till they are golden all around, or you can also do this inside an oven. Grease the oven tray a little bit, place these sausage rolls in it and let it broil for about 10 minutes on each side or till you see that they are well golden all around. We just need a golden crispy outside. Now let us saute some onions and mushrooms to top our hot dogs. This is very easy and it's totally optional. Just take some oil in a pan, heat the oil and drop these sliced onions and sliced mushrooms into this hot oil. Keep the heat medium and keep sauteing them till you can smell the lovely aroma of roasted, sauteed onions and mushrooms, and all the moisture is gone out of them, and your caramelized onions and mushrooms are ready. Now all that is left to do is bring together these lovely hot dogs. Take a hot dog bun, make a slit all along the length in the center. Take care not to slice it into two pieces. Now once you have this gap here, you can fill this with a generous amount of mayonnaise. I am using tandoori mayonnaise here. Yes, it's available very easily these days. You can use whichever mayonnaise you want. Followed by a little bit of this caramelized mushroom and onion mixture. If you're not using this mixture, you can directly put in the veg sausage now. And if you're feeling very generous, you can place some more of this caramelized mushroom and onion mixture over your hot dog sausage. Now it's time for the sauces, mustard sauce, ketchup, and a generous sprinkling of processed cheese that I have grated. And our hot dogs are ready. I think it's a great weekend dinner option. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Till next time, bye bye and enjoy.